What would happen if I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna stop aiming? Well, what would happen is this video, because today I'm throwing my aim out the window. I want to use the minigun, and the minigun only, to win a Fortnite game with hopefully a lot of eliminations. And at one point in this video, I will have 5 miniguns in my inventory, so I can just constantly spray at people and hope for the best. Also, really quickly, I've decided that because of this whole quarantine thing, I'm gonna be trying to upload every single day, so you guys can expect a whole lot more insane content coming your way. So make sure to subscribe, because according to my analytics, almost 69% of you guys watching this aren't. And it would make my day if you did. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's get on with the challenge. I need 5 miniguns. I need to somehow get 5 miniguns. That's gonna be hard. I don't want to hold mids, but I want to at least have 5 miniguns in my inventory. Hello there. What? I need miniguns. I need miniguns. That's not what I want, but I'll take that to kill henchmen. Whoa, whoa, whoa! They're hacking! They're hacking! Henchmen are hacking. I swear, man. Where's the thick boy? I need thick boy's minigun. What the? But like, I couldn't do anything. Huh. Ah, this is a bit suspicious. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so many of them, dude. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, what the hell? What the? What is happening? No! I've run out of ammo! Stop! Stop, 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 stop! Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone! I've got 3 bullets. There's more. Die, henchman. No, 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 no! No! Damn it! No! So close! Is that a minigun? No, there's no... I think there should be a minigun in the vault, I feel like. A pistol? Don't land on me. No! Hey! 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 Uh-oh. Where is he? See you. I didn't shoot you, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, that's a controller player. I'm just trying to get 5 miniguns. Or as many miniguns as I can. I think that's funny. Alright. Gotta figure out where I want to go for this. I need to find as many miniguns. I want to have at least 5 miniguns at some point. That'd be nuts. Need minigun. Need minigun. What? Why am I Deadpool? Give me loot. Give me loot. Give me loot. What? I'm just gonna pick up this dude. Come over here, boy. Okay. Oh, no! Ah! What is happening? That's one. Okay, I gotta go as a henchman again. Now I gotta find old Brute. Where you at, thick boy? Where you at? Yikes! How do you kill him? He's just gonna he's gonna kill me, man! Ah! I mean, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Okay, got him. Perfect. Perfect. That's 2. Come on. More minigun. More. 1 surely. Come on, game. Oh my god. And I got no mini bullets from that. I'm already sick of this place. We gotta find some people. Llama. What? Go. I'm gonna get a lot of mini bullets from this. Yummy, 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 yum. Oh, there's people down there. No, don't die. Oh, man. No. I'm jumping on yet. He died so fast. 400 bullets. Oh, my days. Oh, it's over. This is going to be the easiest challenge ever. Holy. Oh, this is... I feel so bad for this guy. I feel bad for him. I'm coming in. Creamy's coming. That's another one out of the game. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, I don't see the I don't see the chopper. Where? Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god. There's nothing they can do. Where's the gamers? Where you at? Oh. I saw a shot. Oh, he's up there. Okay. Oh, he's gonna hit me. That dude is 100% gonna hit me. Yeah, without a doubt. Hold. Chill. Oh my god. Oh no, this is OP. This is OP. It's OP. Hell. What? Who was this guy? Little does he know. This is broken. I don't know what else to say. I literally don't know what else to say. Any other gamers want to challenge the professional spray and prayer? Anyone? This is what I was made for. This is what I was made for. Whoa! Chill! Whoa! Oh, yeah. Oh, I've got another one, though. Where are ya? Literally nothing they can do. Look at this loot! Are you serious? I've never seen more loot in my entire life. You know what? I'm gonna leave it all there. Actually, actually, hold on. This is gonna make it a lot easier. Hello? I'm going through the walls. Oh, you think you spray? Yeah? Come back here, boy! Come back here, boy! Come here, boy! Oh, he's gone. Oh my god. This is so toxic. Got another launch pad. Oh, who is this guy? That was totally the type of dude to just one pump me there. I can't get cocky. I can't do it. I need to secure this dub ski. The dub needs to be secured at all costs. They're definitely going to be in this high ground. Like, that's for sure. If there has ever been someone to be on high ground, it's right now. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit on top of Mount Everest. I'm going to sit on Mount Everest and spray people. Where are you? Hello? Hello? Yeah, get in the chopper. Get in the chopper. Ooh. Yeah, in the chopper. That's the way. That's the way. Oh, that's a boom bow. That is a boom bow. Okay, I almost died there. What? Not even close. 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 Oh my god. Okay, I just may or may not have just had a heart attack. Being 1 HP there was all part of my plan. Hello? Where are you? Don't snipe me, please. Oh, hello. Oh, poor dude. I feel so bad. Oh, he's using a pistol. Did he fall? Oh, that was not how that was supposed to go. But hey, GG's. That is overpowered. I thought this challenge was going to take me like 30 years to complete. Oh my, like what?
And then we need to just absolutely nick merc everyone there.
Yeah, I'm just going to have to point out there may or may not be about 32 million people here. But I'm not sure for what reason, but... No, I need your help. I need your help.
Bro, I have 8 Ks. What would you like me to do?
Oh, no! Stop! Oh, get him.
He's dead.
Nice, perfect. I don't have a lot of health, but we can make it work. Oh, he's right there. I didn't even see him. Oh my god, dude. Second down of the match. Is that Chunky?
No, there's a proper person there. There's two emitting. I can't do anything.
I've got 0 bullets, but he's low ass, so... Oh, Jesus.
I'm going. Yeah, I'm going in.
Oh, no! I'm coming! Oh, you got him! You got him! No way!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't believe that worked. Okay, do we know where Chungo Wungo is, or...?
Yeah, I heard him. He's like up on the roof. He's down bottom.
Down bottom?
Wait, how's he down here? What?
I hear a minigun.
I headshot him. Got it.
Nice!
So how are we meant to get 5 miniguns?
We have to just go find people that have them, or go agency next. Oh, gamers.
I hear them.
RPG? Oh my god.
Wait, why are there so many people here? The bunny. Knocked one?
That bunny just like controlled me.
The bunny's one hit. Nice.
Oh my, what just, there was like 30 people here. All right, I know I have 2 launch pads now. We just got to go, I think we're going to go agency, right?
But you just see 5 nuts, so he's going to get hit to the head.
He's going to get the minigun special. Like, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, no way. Oh, you,
heroic healer 71.
Sorry, that was just brutal. That was actually just brutal. I'm not opening anything. Whoa, whoa! I love how he just dips after that. Like, oh my god.
Wait, is there 2? There's 2. There's not 1.
Yeah. He's low.
Got him.
Nice. Where's the other one?
Down bottom.
Oh my god, what?
He's coming up my right.
Nice. Woo. There's gotta be. There has to be more here. I feel like
There's
there
people
would be.
down bottom.
Is that yeah, another minigun. Let's go. Hey, boy, give me that thing right there. You got in your inventory. I'm coming. Oh, no way. Let's go.
We just need one more now.
Let's go. Oh, you want that? Oh, you... Whoa, 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 whoa. What kind of movement has this guy got? Oh, my God. All right, can you drive the helicopter? I've got an idea.
Oh, no.
Do we cop this?
Yeah, you got it, mate. You got it. I'm going in. Where's the teammate?
He's over here. He's over here. Come here, boy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill.
Yeah, he just got nicked.
What?
There's a guy down here.
Oh, hello.
I'll get you towards him. What up, my bro?
Let's go. Let's go. Dink.
Could not get out.
Oh my God, I can't hit him. Okay.
That's what I'm looking at.
Is that a minigun? No, it's a bandage.
No, there is.
There is? Let's go.
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ.
Wait, what?
Let's go. Spray and pray. I'm gonna steal. Oh, poor dude. He doesn't know what's about to hit him. Oh, 20
okay.
health.
Yes.
A total of 20 health. Oh, for loss. Oh! Okay.
People. Northeast.
You like that, boy? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, I'm getting out.
Oh, what? It's so laggy. It's so laggy. 21.
I'm just spraying him.
Got one. Almost got one.
That is a controller
Nice.
player!
Got one. Where's this guy?
The other one's down there, I think. Oh my God, you got both of them.
No way. All right, there's 2 people in now.
Yeah, they're in a helicopter above us.
Oh, yes. Wait. Sorry, boys. And I can't. Oh, are they out of render distance? What the?
Yeah, what?
What sort of scam is this?
They're trying to shoot me out. You got him.
What? Woo!
They got the crash pad.
Oh, what? I tried to break it.
They're behind that wall.
Oh, I beamed them. I'm going.
Yeah,
I'm going.
both on shield.
Yeah,
You got both.
I'm coming down.
I believe.
Got one.
Nice.
Oh. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Okay, this is broken. It's broken. Minigun's broken. I'm confirming it. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. That is just overpowered. There's nothing more to it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I got plenty more coming. So if you're hyped for the daily uploads, smash like and subscribe.